In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Buddy Pass on 24-Hour Fitness. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, ensure that you have access to Buddy Passes by checking if you have a Platinum subscription active. The Platinum subscription, which costs $45 per month, will give you 2 Buddy Passes that you can share to invite your friends over to 24-Hour Fitness. If you have the $30 Gold membership monthly, it will not allow you to use Buddy Passes to invite your friends to 24-Hour Fitness. After you know for sure that you have Buddy Passes available, all you have to do is share the link of the Buddy Pass with your friend. As you can see on the screen, there was a change recently on April 14th of last year. As you can see, your buddy needs to be registered only for the first time through Kiosk, and the member needs to add the buddy to the buddy list on their account. Whoever uses the Buddy Pass also needs to have their buddy added to the buddy list on their account settings. Lastly, make sure that your buddy brings a member check-in, presents an ID, and that they are properly checked in before accessing the gym. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Buddy Pass on 24-Hour Fitness. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.